Hi, I hope that everybody will be fine. And today lecture is very interesting, knowledgeable, and very important lecture for you. So please concentrate on the lecture. The lecture is about fasting. Yes, what you need to know about fasting. So now I will tell you about fasting. So how fasting can affect your body? What are the effects of fasting on your body? So understanding the potential benefits and science behind intermittent fasting can help you decide if it is right for you. Intentionally skipping or delaying meals known as fasting is an unusual practice for many people, but it is gaining popularity as a way to prevent disease and maintain a healthy body weight. So proponents of intermittent fasting believe it's better for your health to constrain your eating to just a portion of the day, allowing your body to go stretches of 12 hours or more without food. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but a method of scheduling your meals to optimize how your body uses nutrients. This pattern of eating doesn't change the total number of calories you consume each day, but alters the frequency with which you eat these calories. Research notes that intermittent fasting as a cultural or religious practice has been around for thousands of years. So in addition to mind body benefits, intermittent fasting has been shown to curb sugar cravings, reduce overeating, improve gut function, and offer potential protection against various types of cancer. However, these health benefits don't occur during extreme fasts, where people go for multiple days without eating. This can lead to nutritional deficiencies and chronic health problems. So now I will tell you the facts of fasting, or you can say the science of fasting. So when you fast, your body stops using glucose for fuel and starts to metabolize fat. Yes, this helps drive blood sugar and insulin levels down, reducing your likelihood of gaining weight and developing diabetes or heart disease. Intermittent fasting also increases the release of human growth hormone, which regulates your metabolism and preserves muscle mass while burning fat. So beneficial neurochemical changes in the brain can occur as well when you fast for short periods of time. So intermittent fasting can lead to improved concentration, better memory, and even boosted energy levels. Intermittent fasting increases the production of a protein in the brain called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which stimulates the production of new neurons in the brain. Neurons transmit and receive information, so having more of them improves your memory and ability to learn. So people also report having more energy when they fast due to improved mitochondrial function. So studies show that intermittent fasting stimulates the production of ketones, which act as an energy source for neurons. Upon the release of these ketones, our bodies increase the number of mitochondria in our neurons, which are responsible for taking in nutrients and creating energy. The result, a brain and body that's more capable of producing energy and burning fat. So I think this lecture will be very helpful for you, and in next lecture I will tell you how to fast for health and its other benefits for health. So meet in next lecture. Please remember me in your prayers. Bye bye. Tata.